1-hour delicious moment later. 4 hours later, at the night time. Yum. 1 hour of delicious moment later. 9 hours later. Huh? 2 minutes later. Gelida. Huh? I know that sound from anywhere. That sounds like my baby Pingu. Friends, we have to do something. I think we have to make a plan and go to find Pingu. Yeah, sounds like a great idea. Let's do it. We have no choice but to do it. Everybody, gather up. I am sure doing it. Okay, let's do this. Oh, he's way over there in the sea. Let me see through the telescope. Few hours later. I see her on an island, but that's thousands of miles away. Let's fly, yeah. But remember, penguins are flightless birds. So, how can I waddle and come? Don't worry, we will carry you. Okay. Thanks. You're welcome. Let's do this. I'm going to carry you. And I'm coming as well. Bye, flying. 3 hours later. Shh. I'm coming for you, Pingu. Oh, where is he? Oh, well, he's just in the nearby island. What? Did you find him? Did you find him? Yeah, I found him. Look. Yeah. Oh, that's my Pingu. But how should we get there? Hey, I will have you wing. Need a wing? Yeah, sure. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there you are. Hey, yay. Oh, she's giving me kisses. He's giving me kisses, I mean. Come on, he's giving me kisses. This is an adorable moment. I'm coming all right. Yes, well. Oh, wow. 1 hour later of love with mother and baby. Okay, that's enough. Let's head back to the bird city. Let's do this. Let's do it. I will come with the baby. That was all back in time. Let's go back to the real time. Let's go. See you in the other side of the time. Whee! I'm going back to the flocks. I'm here. Now, let's go to the urgent story of Pinga hatching. Let's do this. Let's go back in time, like 6 months ago. Let's do it. Whee! See you at the other side of the world. Whee! The origin story of the birth of Pinga. Okay, now I just laid an egg, everybody. Wow, looks great. Sure does. Looks like it's happening again. Oh wait, what? Why is it shaking a little bit? Oh, I see some cracks. Oh, is it touching? Wah, wah. Well, better get looking at my other baby. Look out for the egg. Sure will. We will. Let's go. Wait up for me, my baby. Phew, I'm here. Mommy. Yeah, I'm also here. Back at the top of the bird forest. At 1 year ago, there was no bird city. Before then, there was a bird forest. Then it transformed into a bird city. We call Paradise Bird City. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. Oh, what? Where did it go? Oh, that was a naughty egg. Oops, sorry guys, that was a mistake. Yay! It came back. Ow. Owie. Owie. Only the kids and babies say owie, owie. But us grown-ups say ouch or ow. Yeah, the kids and babies are too young. But here comes one baby out of the egg. Wow. She's gorgeous. She's so cute. Is that my little sister? Yeah, Pingu, that's your little sister. Meet your newborn sister, Pinga. Goo goo gaga. Yeah, and she's just too old. I mean too young. We have to learn a few things. But when she gets 1 month old, then we will learn her a few things. About survival, you mean? Yeah, about survival. I wish I will have a baby and kid soon. You sure will, Green Parrot. Just keep continuing and relaxing your peaceful life. Yeah, correct. 1 month later. She is officially now 1 month old. Let's learn her a few things. Oops, sorry guys, just people are talking in my house. That's why there's a few mistakes in the video. Don't mind the mistakes. Mind the video. Let's learn her how to stand. But how? Let's practice with that wall. I think it's called a practicing wall for learning stand for babies. Yeah, okay. Let's do this. Everybody. That little one is cute, but she's so heavy. Whew. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I think you have back pain, right? Yeah, I have back pain. Is she going to able to stand? Let's hope she will. Yeah. She stood! Yay! Yay, yay, yay. Let's learn her how to move around. Just waddle like this. Follow mommy. Yeah, that's it. Keep doing it. If you come to me, I will give you a treat. Oh, here's your fishy treat. Yay. Now let's learn how to talk. Say Green Parrot. Kalikoti. Well, that goes wrong. I will learn her how to speak. Say Cheeky. Akitati toto tato tato. Well, that also goes wrong. You try it, Penguin family. Of course, Pinga is the new member of the Penguin family, but try it. Few days passed. Hello, my name is Pinga, and there is my big brother. Hi everybody, there's mommy. Hi. There's Green Parrot auntie. Hi everybody, there's Dr. Chicky. Hi, nice to see you all. Everybody is intelligent and good. Okay, now let's do a little walking. Right, mother? Yeah, let's do it. Few days later. Huh? Is that my baby? Is that my little sister? Few days later. Oh wait, I forgot. She is my little baby. Yeah, she's my little sister. Let's go for a walk. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Yes, yes. Meowie, hey, what's the problem, man? Kids, don't say mean words, shall we? I'm following ya. See, everything was right in the past, but in the middle, I forgot Pinga was my baby. Okay, now let's go to real time. See you at the other side of the world, of course. Whee! Woohoo! Let's learn the birth about princess. Let's do it. Let's go back in time. See you at the other side of the world. Whee! The birth of Pinga. I mean the birth of princess. Whoa! Okay, let's see. Everybody, I found an abandoned egg near the streets. I thought it was some kind of abandoned bird egg, so I brought it back to the bird forest. Okay, good job. Let's see which bird comes out of it. I will sit on it because since I am the one who found it, who knows which kind of bird can be in that egg? Yeah, it could be a pigeon, it could be a peacock like you, it could be a crow, it could be a baby parrot, or much more. Or maybe even a baby myna. It's a bird, a very small bird. Let's find out then. Oh, wait, oh, it's hatching. Ow. Owie. That hurts. Oops. It's okay. But look. Whichever bird is hatching, it's a baby peacock. I can't believe it. It's not a pigeon, it's not a baby crow, it's not a baby parrot, it's not a baby myna, it's none of Pinga's guess. It's a baby peacock. I thought it would be a peacock. It is a peacock. Whoa, that's so cool. Can I make friends with her? No, she's too old. I mean young. Why does everybody keep being confused with old and young? Wow, that's so adorable. Aww. Coo, 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 coo. Cat. So cool. So looks like now I'm a new father. But what should we name her? Maybe Pelikoye? Nope. That still doesn't work. Baby Peacock? No. How about Fire Peacock? No. Fire Peacock sounds like a boy. How about Rose? Nope. Wobby? That sounds like a boy. Ding! Oh, I have an idea. What should I name her? Princess! Because she looks like a little baby pretty princess. Oh, looks like she needs baby formula. Well, here it is. Good thing I packed it up for later. Guys, actually we are back in time and we are seeing the birth of Princess. Oh, Princess has a very good father. She is lucky and that father is me. I'm going to take care of her. And now she's officially in my family. Because she's my baby, of course. Yeah. Oh, she's playing around. 1 month later. Let's learn her a few things. 1 month later. Hi. My name is Princess and I am a peacock. Here is my father. Hi. He is wind powered. Hi. Here is Pinga, my friend. Hi. Yes, Mother Penguin. Hi. Yeah, wee wee. Actually, it's not wee wee. It's Chicky. Or whatever. Well, hi. He's my other best friend, Pingu. Hi. Let's go for a walk, everybody. Oh, wait. Let's just sit here and chat around. Oh, man. You're so cute. Just. Who are you saying cute to? Myself. Oh, okay. I think you like yourself, right? Yeah, sure, Daddy. I'm just going to washroom. Okay, Mother Penguin. Phew. Okay, now we saw 1 year ago the birth of Princess. Okay, we have already seen the birth of Green Jay, but now we are seeing. Now we are only watching Blue Jays and Orange Jays birth. Okay, let's go back in time. Wee, see you back at the other world. Wee. What's happening, baby? Mother Penguin? I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. Exhausted. Oh, Mother Penguin. You've been traveling 2 times, right? Yeah. So let my father go in back time for you. Oh, okay. Oh, there's Green Parrot egg. I think she's gone to wash. Let me just sleep. With the others. Okay, let's go back in time to my son's birth. That's Blue Jay. Let's see my birth. I'm also coming with you, Father. Oh, but you're too young. Oh, man. But when you grow a little old, I'm sure you will come with me. Oh, okay. I'm just going to go. Yeah, of course you have play school. Only you have been added to play school right 2 days ago. So you have just been added to play group. We can also say play school. Oh no. That's a lot of time to me to grow up. Don't worry, I sure you will. Let's go back in time. For Mother Penguin. See you at the other world. Whee! I'm here. Look, everybody, I laid an egg. Finally, I can have a baby. Wow, cool. We are just acting like the old times. Cool. Whoa. Cool. Cool. Whoa. It's the birth of my new baby parrot. Let's see. Ew, I'm covered with egg yolk. Are you? Yeah, sure. Yes, well. But that's so adorable. I know, right? So cool. Oh, that's so adorable. So cool. Now, what should we name her? Maybe Firebird? No, too likely a boy. Huku. Haha, that's so funny. Tati. Still so funny. Haha. That doesn't make sense at all. That also doesn't make sense, kids. Ta. Too funny. Poopy. Oh no, he wants to poop. Phew. I think I know the perfect name. It is Blue Jay. Say Daddy. Say Papa. For starters. Pa. Baba. She's so cute, right, Green Parrot? Yeah, I know. Let's learn her a few things. 1 month later. Good. Another 1 month later. Ready! Hello. I'm Blue Jay. And this is Father Peacock. My best friend's father. Hello, everybody. That is Pink Parrot. My father. Hi, everybody. Yes, Green Parrot, my mother. Hi, everybody. That's Princess, my best friend. Hi, everybody. That's Pinga, my best friend. Hi, everybody. That's Sticky. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. I got a little squeak. That is the penguin family. And Pingu is spooking. Hi, everybody. Almost done. How much time will it take? Few minutes. Okay. This is all of the birds. I hope you like them. I'm just going to washroom. Okay. Phew, that was a good journey. Now let's go to my other kid's birth. That is Orange. Let's go back. See ya. Huh? Was that somebody watching my baby? Nothing, I guess. Whoa. Oh. Well, that was a crash landing. Okay. Well, now let's go to Orange's birth. Huh? Oh, yeah. And that's our new flock member, Mr. Brown, the kiwi. Hi, everybody. He has a very delicate beak. Yeah, I have a very delicate beak. Now let's go back in time. See ya, Kiwi, the new flock member at the others. See ya. See ya. Let's go. Okay, now let's see. Look, everybody, I laid another egg. Wow, am I going to have a little brother or sister? Yeah, you're having another sibling. Well, it's hatching. Wow, cool. And oh, that's so cute. Oh, that my little one is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Very cool. Gorgeous. Cool. Wow, it's a boy, I can tell. Wow, my little brother. Let's learn him a few things after 1 month. 1 month later. Good. Another month later. You're ready, Orange. Hello. My name is Orange. That's Father Peacock. My best friend, Princess's father. Hello. That's Daddy. Hello, everybody. That's Mother. Hi. That's Princess I was talking about before. Well, there is Pinga. La. There is Tiki. Hi. There is Sister. Hi, everybody. There is Mother Penguin Auntie. Hi, everybody. There is Pingu, my other best friend. Hello, everybody. Okay, all are there. Everybody? Yeah. I'm going to washroom. See you later. After 5 minutes. Well, okay. Well, okay. I guess this world is awesome. Okay. Wow, guys, did you see the birth of Orange? Okay, now let's meet up at the real time. See ya at the other world. Ah, that was another crash landing. Well, let's end today's video. If you enjoyed today's adventure, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the bell icon. We will see you in another video titled Thunderstorms Hitting the Bird City with Rain, part 17, I guess. Well, bye!